Gotta run it through the bumps. There it goes. Axial has scaled up their flatbed vehicle trailer and it's looking pretty sweet. So this is how the SCX-10 trailer comes out of the box. A little assembly is going to be required. Here is the front frame and that has to get bolted to the trailer itself here. This is looking pretty sweet, guys. And then you have this package of instructions and some additional hardware and looks like some of the hitch parts as well. Get things started by bolting the frame to the deck and it's just keyed into place. Throw these screws in and tighten them all down. So this is pretty solid. This is actually one of their harder composite materials and it's hard to get those screws in there. Gonna assemble the jack next. Slide this in. This goes on top. Body clip secures this. And then this other body clip locks out the jack wherever you want it. Just put it here for now. So if your Axial rig doesn't have a hitch bracket, they include one along with the screws to go and secure that to the frame. But I'm gonna go throw this on my SR5 and it's already got the box here in the rear bumper. So I just had to remove the hitch plug there. I can slide the hitch mount into place and they give you a screw pin to go and secure that. Now I just gotta screw the hitch ball here into the hitch mount. And it's all done. And this is adjustable. Finally, unravel the lead wire for the LED lights and run it up into the cab and plug it into your speed controller or receiver. Finishing the assembly is gonna take you roughly 10 minutes, and when it's done, it looks pretty awesome, guys. Just like the SCX-24 trailer, I like that they've got a diamond plate texture, the composite decking here, and then they've got the fake wood inlay, standard hardware throughout. They've got pockets on the side in case you wanna put some walls or maybe some posts there, like the taillight brackets and the LEDs that come with it. The one thing that I wish that they did was come up with a better wiring system where you don't have to run the lead wire into the inside of the cab and maybe just had a plug out here somewhere and maybe another little bracket to go and secure the wiring. They've got one little extra tab here, but another one would have been nice so it's not flopping around. Over here with the wheels, these are standard 1.55 tires. So if you wanted to swap out these standard street treads, you could do that. They do have some foam inserts. They come glued to the rims from the factory, ball bearings to support it. They don't have suspension on there. I'm sure that would have just jacked up the trailer even higher and would have taken away from the scale look. To access the ramps, you just flip up this little tab, slide your ramp out, and then key it into the back of the trailer here. Wish that there was a little bit of an angle on that, but you know, any 10 scale rig is gonna get right up and on it. Like that they've got a license plate on there. Again, they give you some extra decals if you want to swap out any of the decals from the factory setup. But yeah, solid looking trailer. Of course, I got to show you how it looks on the back of a rig. My Toyota SR5 here, I built up for Beat the Creek. Looking pretty good, guys. Not overly bouncy. That's something you know, I always look out for, especially since we don't have any suspension on the back of that thing. Through the rut there, stays pretty stable. Yeah, all right. Now we got to throw a rig on the back of this thing. Just like that, the Coyote is loaded up. Sorry, I forgot the transmitter at home for that one. Otherwise, I would have showed you it crawling up the ramp. But let's see how it stays on because we don't have any straps with this. I guess that's something that Axial's left the modeler to figure out. Let's see if it slides around. Staying pretty stable. Oh, no, it's sliding around a little bit here. So yeah, you definitely want to strap down that truck. If you're, you know, cruising through the crawler course at an event, always see rigs getting towed around at events. But it's on there. Oh, there it goes. Got to run it through the bumps. There it goes again. So yeah, you're gonna want to find some bungee cords or something to strap that thing down. Nonetheless, this trailer is a cool release from Axial. I think some people were waiting for it after seeing the SCX-24 trailer. It's finally here. It's easy to install, pretty adjustable. Just got to make sure that your SCX-10.3 has the right mounting bracket on the rear bumper if you don't have a box in your bumper hitch. Yeah, guys, if you're an Axial fan, it's just one of those cool accessories to have. I'll have links for it in the video description below.